extremely complicated to use AI at the moment, given the state of technology. Indeed, we use AI so that we can completely tailor-make the experience on site for the participants of our event. We can register you, and with some profiling, we will acquire data about you, and when you come to the event, then everything changes according to your own preferences. Now, where we see a new development in AI is with chatbots. And in events now, we start to use chatbots to interact directly with the audience at the event. So we create a social platform for exchanging and chatting, but you're actually chatting with a chatbot. It's as revolutionary as the move from theater to TV. All right? We used to build and conceive event as a theater play. There is one place, there is one audience, there is one message, and it's all concentrated in one time. Now, it's like we were moving from theater to TV. Now we do have to consider that the event will live on a much longer period of time, because all the content we are generated will be accessible online. So that's the one thing, and of course we have to stage our event and stage the content of the event in a way that is understandable and creates emotional connection for people online who are looking at the event through a mobile phone, a very small window to the world.
2 years ago, I was very skeptical about VR. It seemed to be exactly the same as it was first time around in 1994, but over the last 10 to 12 months, it's actually coming to, the technology has caught up with the promise. And I think as AR becomes the dominant way of communicating, I think what that's going to mean from an event point of view is going to be fascinating, being able to take essentially core narratives and to be able to build on that and to give people one-to-one specific individual content that enhances what's happening on the stage. I think is going to be really game-changing, and I'm really looking forward to, where as an industry we're able to advance in the next probably 2 years towards that. I don't think I've seen it change enough. I think, and this is not something that's being critical of just the event industry. I think broadly, when you look across the communication industry, no one is really making the effort to step out of their comfort zone as much as they probably should. No, everyone's quite afraid of disrupting business models and revenue streams, and I think there's a real opportunity for businesses to actually stand up and really to innovate and create completely new kinds of service offers. And I don't think we're seeing enough of it yet, and I really hope that in the future people are really going to make the effort to step out of that commodity trap, to do something brave and different that really shakes things to the foundations, really creates new and interesting ways of engaging with people.